So just double click on this, click start, and you can see it's working perfectly. So when you get that booting from CD, just select some key and it start booting. So as you can see, now we are starting the installation of Windows Server 2019, and this is a generation 2 what we are installing on. Remember this, and you have to use the second generation of Hyper-V because it supports maximum hardware support, where if you are using 16 GB or 32 GB of RAM, as well as your storage devices like 2 TB, 5 TB or 8 TB, it helps you to support all that hardware where you can use it for the virtualization and as well as storage pooling in the future. So let's start our Windows Server installation. Click next, install now. Go to custom, click new. This guys, I'll tell you one more thing. This is just one hard disk which we have created in the virtual settings so that we can create this whole partition for the C drive. Later on, once the complete installation of the server is done, in the next video I'll show you how to create one more hard drive, and you can use it as a local drive for your other storages and everything. So let's click next. So friends, let the installation get finished. So guys, once the installation is done, please wait until you get this screen. So please don't interrupt in the middle, so that where your CPU, your virtual machine will be restarted for a couple of times, maybe one, twice, or thrice. So once it is done, just give the product key if you have, or else do this later. So as a default, you will have the administrator access, so you will have to provide your password and details here. I'm giving my password. So once the password is given, click next. So this is the screen size. It asks for the size of your screen you need to select. So I'm giving as a full screen. So my screen resolution is 136 by 768. So I'm giving as connect. So you can see this, it is a full screen. So I'll maximize it. Yeah, now you can see here this is a full screen, and it's asking for the password. Let me log in. So guys, basically Windows Server takes a couple of minutes to load all the service files and related services to upload and get loaded, so that you can start working on it. So once the installation is done, if you are using your hard drive at the time of installation, and you are using uh, older hard disk, then it takes a couple of minutes for the server to load up, either in a virtual machine or in a host system. So you have to be patient, where you can wait for the system to take its time, get loaded with its services and everything. So once everything is loaded, you might have seen the screen here. So you will get all these options and everything. So once you get here, you can start doing your configurations based on your requirement. So this is it for now, guys. I'm just showing you how to do the installation today. So the installation is done now. Once the installation is done, you will the service will be loaded, and you can see that page with which was open now. It was the service manager. There you will have to add all the features and stuffs.